So today we're replacing this French door, which has been giving the homeowner a bunch of problems with water leaking in and just not operating properly. So yeah, we're gonna rip this out, put in a new one, and call it a day. Lovely. Yeah, buddy. All right, we have wood back there. Cool. So here's one of the things that we discovered is that these guys are sloped back towards your house. So any water that falls
just pools right there.
It just runs back in. Yeah, that's good. That is good. Pitch is good. So doors installed. We still have some casing that we have to put in around the outside and the inside. And she's going to be picking up a new lock set, but everything else is pretty good. Here we are, wrapped up on this French door installation. Turned out pretty well. I was a little nervous about the size of the door, considering that the old one was reclaimed and made to work some years ago. So I wasn't quite sure what we were going to find underneath, but everything worked out with like a 32nd of an inch to spare. So got lucky on this one, no major headaches. Operates, looks good. Client's happy, we're happy.